Pink color, green color, red color, sky blue color, orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F,
Now I know my ABCs. Next
G,
time, won't you sing with me?
H, I,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
J,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
K,
Q, R, S, T,
L,
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
M,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
N,
sing with me?
O, P, Q, R, S,
A, B, C, D, E,
T,
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
U,
Q, R, S, T, U,
V,
V, W, X, Y, and Z.
W,
Now I know my
X,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Y, Z.
Let's paint.
A,
Sky
B,
blue
C,
color.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
A,
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
B,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
C,
my ABCs.
orange color.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
D, E, F, pink color. G, H, green color. I,
Do you know the Muffin
J,
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
K,
Know the Muffin
red
Man
color.
who lives on
L,
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
M,
Man. Yes, we know
orange color.
the man who lives on Drury
N,
Lane.
O, sky blue color.
Do you know
P,
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
Q,
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who
R,
lives on Drury
pink
Lane?
color.
Yes, we know the Muffin
S,
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
T,
Man. Yes, we
green
know
color.
the Muffin Man who lives on
U,
Drury Lane.
V, W, red color. X,